What is up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I'll show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Yes, we finally have another Kohls video. They're running another one of their extra 50% off Kohls Clearance Events. It is currently Sunday and the sale starts tomorrow. So I'm on the way out with a bunch of stuff that I've listed over the weekend and I'm going to get all of my stuff packaged up. Normally I would package on Mondays, but since this sale is hitting on Monday, I want to make sure that I have all day to hit as many Kohls stores as we absolutely can. And my dad and I went earlier and scouted out the local one, and oh my, is it absolutely loaded. This is going to be an insane event. And if you're just watching this, unfortunately the sale is over. I can't give up everything in real time on YouTube or else there would just be too much competition. So I called this out in my group, Bread and Butter. Everyone's ready for tonight when we're going to cook a ton of online sales. And then tomorrow, we're going to absolutely cook this sale and see how much profit we can find. And I know members are gonna do the exact same because this one is like the end of summer one. So it is definitely a huge one and they are clearancing out a ton. So let's go get these orders packed and then we'll be ready for tonight and tomorrow morning. All right, I already packed up like 10 orders at home, but I got the rest of them packed up here. And now we're good to go back and start scouring Kohls to see what all they have online. All right, guys, I just put my laptop away. It was an insane cook online. It's time to go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, there we have the final haul, guys. I am super tired from sourcing like 7 stores today, so I'm gonna attack this tomorrow. All right, guys, it is the next morning. I'm back out here at the warehouse going to pack up all the orders that went out Sunday night through today, Tuesday morning. That's not the point of this video. I'm gonna get back home after this and then show you guys everything that we picked up yesterday in an insane haul. And then Kohls being Kohls, they actually just told their employees that it's only going to be a 2-day sale. I think I said at the beginning of this video that it went Monday, August 12th through Sunday, August 18th. However, it's just going Monday, August 12th through Tuesday, August 13th. So we just alerted Bread and Butter members on that they need to get out there and hit those stores. Packaging done. Time to sort through everything we got and show you guys the haul. Here's everything we picked up yesterday. First off, starting off with these Under Armour boots. Remember, everything is an additional 50% off the tag. So 50% off of the $63. These go all day long for like $65 to $70. We got these Thorogood boots here that were $24. And those go for, I think, $75 or $80 if I remember correctly. Next, we got a pair of Steph Curry's here for $30. Those go for $65. We got these lockdowns that we picked a bunch of those up last episode, last Kohls Clearance Event, $22 each. Those go all day long for $58. 2 pairs of those. 3 pairs of these Columbia boots here. Those are a really good find, $26, especially coming into winter. Those are an easy $70. Next, a couple stores even had some LeBrons. I've never even seen Kohls carry LeBrons before. But those were like $36 each. I only picked up the Lakers colorway, and those should be $70 to $75. Next, this whole row here is a bunch of different Nike Air Maxes. all of them around like $30, $32. And you guys see me sell a bunch of these in my what sold videos. These go all day long for over $65, $75 around that. These are some really cool ones. Got the reflective Nike swoosh. Not gonna go one by one with the comps, you get the point. There's not all Air Maxes. We got these, which were really cheap. Next, this stack here was supposed to be all Skechers, but I see I put some Asics in there as well. $22.50 on Asics, and those ones go for like $65, $70. On top here, we've got two Skechers work shoes. Anytime you can find work shoes in all black, they do well because people are obviously buying them to work at restaurants and things like that. Only $21 each on those. Those go for like $55 to $60. And then we've got some boots down here. Those were $25, and I think they go for like $55, $60. Got some more boots here down at the bottom. Then another pair of black work shoes right there. Next, this row here is all Nike Alphas. So a different type of Air Max and different colorways there on those. Those always do really well, and those were like $30 as well. Those first two are the same ones, and of course that one's the same one. And that should have been in the Air Max stack. Maybe they're all the same. I could have sworn I had a couple different colors. Ah, there we go. And is the bottom one the same? Okay, all but one are the same color. Next, this stack here are all the Adidas dailies. I sell a bunch of these in my What Sold videos as well. 22, 23 bucks on those. Those are an easy $55 to $60. Couldn't believe they had this many Timberlands on sale. They had a couple different kinds, but one of them was flooded with a ton of the one kind, so I just went with this kind, the Timberland Pro Wedge, which were like $36.25, and those go for over $100 right now. And then our biggest buy were all these Air Maxes. This is just two different types of kinds. This one, which I couldn't turn down, Air Maxes at $25. These are all women's. These two stacks are all the same color. And then this is a different one and a little more, but $26. Cannot beat that. Same type of colorway. That one goes for like $60 to $65 as well. So that is the haul. All right, so that's about gonna wrap up this haul. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Again, if you're interested in my group Bread and Butter, you can check that out. First link in the description. Members absolutely ate up on this 2-day sale and found tons of the same deals that I did. And again, it's important to note that it's not just shoes in this sale. That's just really what I know. The clothing racks were absolutely filled in this sale. There were also some underwear deals, some toy deals. I like to get in and out and hit as many stores as I can here on day one. So that's why I just hit the shoes. Usually the sale lasts like a week, and I'll go back to all the stores like a couple days later once they start doing some extra Kohls cash on top of it. However, this one was just a quick 2-day flash sale, so I just got in, got out, got the best stuff. But like I always say, source what you know and are interested in. I know and I love shoes. I love selling shoes, so that's kind of what I get in and I source. And I don't really touch the other parts of the store. I just kind of looked around a little bit at some of them, and I saw that there were tons of clothes. But I'm really trying to get out of clothes because I just really don't enjoy listing them, and I'm trying to just sell things that I enjoy, like shoes and hats. So hit the areas of the store that you know, especially when you're sourcing Kohls, and you're gonna make plenty of money. So thanks for watching. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.